Alright guys, welcome back. This is another video on variables. I do like the last video. I think that's my best video yet, but I want to go into variables more because all we did was go over integers, which are whole numbers, and there's so much more to programming than just whole numbers. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so right now I'm pretty sure you guys see me typing these green words, the // those are comments. The system goes through here and says, oh, you added notes, cool, I'm going to ignore those. And it just leaves them be. So those are comments. You can add those to your program and it won't change anything. Also, white spaces, you can add as many of those. It might be ugly, but yeah, you can add those and the system doesn't care. Here's another way to show comments. You can go like this. You can go / asterisk, and you can type those, and anything between here is a comment. You see how these all turn green? So I'm going to use those for this video. I'm going to go like this, and then I'm going to take those and slowly but surely work my way down the line and show you how it ignores these. But yeah, so whole numbers, if you want to use whole numbers, let's say we establish or initialize integer a. We just created this out of thin air. Boop. That's called initialization. And we said it equals 100.123456, right? This is only going to print out 100 because we're using an integer. Integers don't print out anything past a decimal. It just uses whole numbers. So let's show you what I'm talking about. Integers only use whole numbers, okay? Boom, 100. It didn't print anything else out because we're using an integer variable. Boom. So now let's move this / asterisk down again. And now we're going to go for decimals. Now floats, if you want to use decimals, use a float. But floats only go so many places past the decimal. So we use float b. Float b equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we said C out or print out b and end L. So let's see what that does. I got a water bottle. That's what that sound is. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press any key to continue. Again, it didn't print out anything else because we have those / asterisks there, and that's what floats are, decimal places. If we type in 789, it won't show those. Again, if you want to go longer, you can use doubles and long doubles and all the extra good stuff. It rounds up also at the end for floats. So moving on. Boop. Single characters. Single character we call a char, so like a money sign, cash sign. You can use @ sign. You can use exclamation. You can use letters, P. Anything that's a single character. Anything more than that, you have to use a string. But for right now, let's stick with characters. Let's go down the line. Character, so P or anything like that. So let's print this out and let's show you what that does. C equals money sign. Dollar bills, y'all. Alright, boom. See? Money sign. There's multiple uses for that. In regular programming, I'll use that to say, like, if it's the player's turn or the enemy turn, I'll use like P or E. Alright, in a string of characters again, let's spread this out a little bit. So what we did here was we created a player name. We didn't assign it a value, we just initialized it. Then we said, enter your name. Then, right now, it'll stop here and wait for your response because now it wants you to input stuff because we use cin. So here, you'll give player name a value. Next, C out, your player name is, and then it's going to say the player's name. Like whatever you type in, it's going to say it here. End L. So let's print that out and see what that does. So print out all the stuff right here, enter your name, right? Your player name is Greatness. Close the program because again, just return 0. And our true or false statement. So there's a keyword called Boolean, Boolean, that's the word. But for short, we say bool, and a Boolean value is a true or false value. So if you're making your program and saying, say like it's your bank account, and you're logging into SunTrust or Navy Federal, and you type in your username and password, and it says, "Oh, you entered the wrong password," is because the Boolean value returned, "Oh, the password was wrong." Or if it's right, it goes through a function and says, "Check if the password's right." And then at the bottom it'll say, "Is the password right?" And then it'll either go true like this, and wow, true, and it'll let you pass, or it'll say false, and then it'll print out you're wrong, like, or I'm pretty sure that's not what it says on the websites, but I'm saying like it does something, and that's what Boolean values are, and you can use those. I'm not sure how you would use them, but there's multiple ways to use a Boolean value, and again we can get rid of these, and I can show you so well I actually can't show you this without typing functions, and we haven't did functions yet. But how much time I got? 7 minutes. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so be a little teaser. So let's go through here. It says scan your key. Let's do something else. Let's say can you pass? Can they pass? I don't know. I can call this, X, CX, right? It doesn't matter. But can they pass? And I'm just doing this for explanation's sake. But can they pass, right? So let's make a statement, like an if statement. This is a function. I'm getting into functions now. This probably, I guess it's a 2-part video then. Okay, let's take a break. I'm about to get into functions, but that literally is a separate video. So if this was too fast, go back to the video, go back to the beginning, and look over that again. Again, those are just tools that we're going to use for our next video, which is functions. But just make sure that you understand what those things are. Once you do that, then go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Good luck, and I hope you guys learned something. Bye. Oh, and shout out to Ghana and Kenya, because those countries have been tuning into my videos, which is dope. So thank you guys. Bye.